Hello, my name is Matthew Bassett and I'm the director for EPEW 2021. I'm really excited about this year's workshop. Our theme this year is Educators Assemble, Equipping Teachers to Become Heroes. We have a great lineup in store for you this year with over 45 presenters from all around the world. In order to gain access to our workshop, please visit our website, epew-cp.weebly.com. In order to gain access to our workshop, go to our website, click on the 2021 virtual tab, scroll down to find the day that you're looking for. When you click on the day, then you'll be able to find the schedule and the links for everything. Our workshop has two parts. Part 1 is going to be streaming to YouTube directly, and Part 2 are live sessions. For the live sessions, you'll need to RSVP on our website so that we can send you an email with the links to the Zoom sessions. I'm really excited for our workshop this year, and it's time for our educators to assemble.